Alright guys, today I'm going to be describing to you guys how to do the row your boat and aluminum boat assignments. So the row your boat is pretty straightforward, it's just a bell ringer. I'm not going to describe this too much, you watch these two videos. They describe the Archimedes principle of buoyancy, and then you get to see how the Costa Concordia costed more than almost any disaster in maritime history, and how much did it cost. So you answer these simple questions and you submit the bell ringer. Next up was the little one that you need a little more demonstration for, is the aluminum boat assignment. You can do this from home if you have pennies and you don't even need a ruler, but if you have aluminum foil and a penny, you can make a square sheet of aluminum foil and follow my instructions. I got the demonstration video here. There's some general instructions here on how to do it and how to place your pennies. A few different boat build ideas that you guys can kind of go with. And you don't even have to use pennies necessarily if you're at home doing this, as long as you give me some kind of increment of measure that you can, assign for weight. Let's take a look at the assignment. So anytime you see a box, I need a full answer. Okay, or a full sentence. Okay, you do need a boat name. I need to know what your strategy was. Full sentence. This doesn't have to be a full sentence. I don't know why I put a box here, but do tell me how many pennies you held. Your boat did before it sank. What improvements would you make if you could do it again? And here I'm gonna give you I gave you guys a simple demonstration of how to find volume. So if my boat was 4 inches long, 2 inches deep, and 4 inches wide, I would have 32 inches squared. Again, you can do this in centimeters or inches or even millimeters if you really want to. But if I measured it 4 inches long, that's 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 4 is 32. So it's pretty easy to figure out volume, and I do need you to math out your volume for full points on this assignment. We will then have a class discussion about the relationship between how well your boat floats and how much volume it has. We're also going to discuss on if you can, what different materials you could make these boats out of, and then why do you think tugboats can pull more weight than any other boat it exists in the ocean. Lastly, you're going to insert a picture with you and your face. I need to see your face and your boat to make sure that you did this. Now, if you did a boat with a friend, that's fine, but you do need to take a picture with your boat, and then you submit the assignment.